Yeah, here's a message to all litigants. I don't care what case it is. You're always being watched. You're being watched by the public. You're being watched by the jury if they're seated, the judge. There's always observations going on. Look, we even talked about it in the Kohberger case just a couple segments ago about how they're concerned about how the jury sees Kohberger and his flat effect. So for anybody there, you have to conduct yourselves knowing that you are being observed. And she should know this. She should know this. I don't know if it was deliberate. I believe she's a little out of control right there. And you see that little squint at the end, too. It's like almost like piercing stare. And the reason is, guys, because the prosecutor wants to get into those communications with Turtle Boy. He believes that those communications will show consciousness of guilt. And she's almost like, well, how dare you, right? One more sort of pull of the thread that the state is trying to do on Miss Reed.
How do you see this playing out, please?
Yeah, I don't actually see it playing out. It would be very odd to see her attorneys in the witness stand at her trial. I don't think it's good optics for the court. Look, there could always be a stipulation, too. If it's to authenticate an out-of-court statement, certainly a stipulation would be enough. And then just final point on this whole Turtle Boy angle that Brennan and the government's looking at. This has already been a circus. The first trial, circus. All the crowds, all the followings and things. If I were prosecuting this, I would want to go in straight. I don't know if I'd want to add this whole Turtle Boy angle of consciousness of guilt because of out-of-court statements and communications. I just question it because of all of the different distractions that we've already seen in the trial.